old idiot. Yes, man.
A diva of the dancehall, Macka Diamond, aka Slacker Diamond as I am now calling her. The female artist that died at sting by the hands of Lady Hurasa is in the media once again, and this time is not because she want her cow foot or because a man had there between her legs, but because of a picture which was leaked to the internet which shows Macka seemingly in the premiere stages of getting a cow foot. The photo gave the appearance that Macka was about to have her premises invaded, bomb rush style. She was about to be ransacked, and it was about to get meme sex tapish. The photo, which had Macka Diamond looking like a softcore porn star from Cinemax After Dark, showed Macka and a male. Macka was topless, and it appeared that she was getting the nips of her Macka tips sucked like a bug juice in a summertime. While Macka was asking for the cow foot, the man nibbling on her Macka tips was asking, "Got milk?" There is no word as to who the man in the photo is, but I am guessing that Macka was tired of hugging up her pillow and thinking about her man, so she called up Black Earth, who gave her the advice to give him the bakery special, Bonnie! And that's what led to the photo. The infamous Nipple Nibbler, as I am now calling him, seemed to be a fan of Vybz Kartel. Give me the breast, make me hickey the breast, me a the man where he deal with the titty the best. If somebody told me that Macka Diamond was pregnant, I would have say a lie. But after seeing that photo, that man, the titty gripper, aka the Nipple Nibbler, was suckling like a newborn 34-year-old baby. And if you ask me, Macka seemed to be enjoying her nippular stimulation. What? But as usual, where there is an accident, the emergency crews are not too far away, ready to step in and try and restore normalcy, ready to clean up all materials and fluids, including semen and breast milk. Now, according to news coming from Macka's camp, it is nothing to be worried about. It is just a photo that got leaked from Macka's upcoming video set to be released in a few weeks. Ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to these celebrities, everything they say and do are just illusions. So the things we see them doing or hear them doing are not what they're actually doing, because we are the ones who are perceiving them doing it and they are not doing it for real. So we, the fans, the supporters, we are the ones who are crazy. If you stop, take people for idiot. Yeah, but according to these celebrities, we are the ones who are perceiving audio and visual stimulants wrong. And if that is the case, then I might need to get my eyes checked. Because looking at this picture, I think I might be perceiving Macka getting her tits sucked, and she's actually getting her tits sucked. It's really happening, and I'm just perceiving it in my mind. This is mind-blowing. This is crazy. In my opinion, there's a difference between acting and actually doing the real deal. Macka, you did get your tits sucked off. You did get your tits sucked off like Buster, Icy and Taffy in a church on Sunday. Whether it was for a video shoot or not. What's in the picture could be what we see, or it could be what they are telling us. Because remember, say Macka Diamond did a video and she had a man between her leg, and it turned out to be just a still shot from her video Die. So it could go either way. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and I feel like someone just giving a 500. So don't be afraid to use up the comment section below and type out the other 500. Also hit the like button and hit the share button. This is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it, and don't get the nipples sucked to achieve it. To watch my other video, click right here. Look, it am same over calling me now. This is how I answer the phone. Yo!